This is an important safety message from SDG&E about a public safety power shutoff affecting your service. High fire risk weather conditions have improved, and SDG&E crews are finishing inspections of power lines that serve your community, and power should be turned back on within the next hour. We understand there is no good time to be without power and appreciate your patience as we work as quickly and safely as possible. If you rely on uninterrupted power for your health and safety or need assistance, additional support may be available. Visit sdge.com/ready. For up-to-date information on outages and when power may be turned back on, please visit sdge.com/outages. Check our mobile app or follow us on Twitter. Thank you.